Okay, so I've actually posted a lot of videos about affiliate marketing on my main YouTube channel. But in the past 30 days, I gave myself a challenge of trying to make $1,000 through affiliate marketing, and the results were good. So this is exactly what I'm going to show you. But instead of that, I'm going to explain that step by step by making several videos. So it's going to be more like a playlist. So if you'd like to learn that, you should definitely start by subscribing to this channel. But the YouTube notification system has changed. Just by subscribing alone is not enough. What you should do now is also try to click the bell icon next to the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload the video, you should be notified as soon as possible. So let me just show you this. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Okay, I'll just have to upload a screenshot or something. Yeah, so as for me, I only made about half of that. So if you've got time and plenty of time, you could probably make even more. I think this is it for today's video. So start by subscribing to this channel and turning on all notifications. Then I'll be dropping videos each and every day on everything you need to do and everything you need to know in simple terms. Yeah, so bye for now. See you in the next video.